Hello everyone, my name is Anne and welcome to this free mini course on how to build a website for non-techies. This course is for those who have zero knowledge in building a website, for beginners, for those who have no technical experience or non-tech savvy. Don't worry, there's no coding required here because like I said, it's beginner friendly. So let's get started. What do you need to have a website? There are three main things. One is domain name, two is hosting, and three is the CMS or the content management system. Domain name is your address online and the name that customers type in when they want to find your business online. Examples are google.com, youtube.com, designers.net. Web hosting, on the other hand, is an account on a computer or a server that can store and serve website files via the internet. This is where all the data on your website is stored. Then CMS, or Content Management System, is a software application or set of related programs that are used to create and manage digital content. Examples are WordPress, SharePoint, Documentum, Joomla. The most popular is WordPress because it is highly customizable with a large number of themes and plugins available. So to better understand what domain name, hosting, and WordPress means, let me show you an illustration. This land is your web hosting. It is where your website would sit. Your house address is your domain name. Since you already have an address and land where you can build your house, you can already build your house. That house is your website. Okay, so this web hosting, this land is the web hosting. Your address house is the domain name. And once you have that, you can build your website, which is represented by this house. Okay, so I hope you get the idea. Now, how do you buy your domain name? I always buy my domain name from Namecheap. You can also buy from web hosts like SiteGround and TMD Hosting. If you register with TMD Hosting, you get a free domain, so that's about 500 peso or $8 worth of savings. With Namecheap, this is how you buy a domain name, which is very similar with other domain registrars. You can first search your domain name that you want. For example, doglovers.com, bracelets.com. Then it's going to tell you if it's available or not. If it is, you can sign up with Namecheap so you can buy your domain name of your choice. Let me show you how. Okay, so first go to namecheap.com and here in domain name search, just type in the domain name that you want to register, that you want to buy. For example, on webbuilder.com. Then you search. If it's available, you can then add this to your cart. First, you have to sign in or sign up for an account, and then find your domain name. Then if it's available, you'll be redirected to this page, and then go ahead and add to cart. And then once it's added, you can then view your cart. So it's right here on webbuilder.com. It's $8 per year. And then go ahead and proceed to checkout. Here you'll find the total amount of your domain name. So on webbuilder.com for 1 year, 1 year only, you can choose to auto renew it or not. Okay, so if you have a promo code, go ahead and type it here. And then there will be a discount and it's gonna be subtracted or gonna be subtracted from the total amount. Then hit confirm order. Okay, so I'll go ahead and sign in to my account. Okay, so I can proceed to check out. You have the option to buy or to pay using PayPal, or you can select other payment methods such as here you can select your credit card or your debit card. It's like so you add your card here, or you can choose to pay via PayPal. So hit continue. I'm not gonna hit continue, so because I'm not gonna buy this domain, so just hit continue, and then you will be redirected to a page looks something like this. So in your dashboard, when you sign in, this is your dashboard, and here you will find all your domain names. So if you have registered your domain names, you'll find it here, and then you can manage them here. And that is how you buy your domain name. So how do you register to a web host? You can register with TMD hosting and with SiteGround. I can only recommend these two because I've tried them, and they both deliver well in terms of website speed and customer support. You can register using these links, using this affiliate link with TMD hosting. You get additional 7% discount using only my affiliate link, and you won't get that discount if you just type in tmdhosting.com. So make sure you use my affiliate link. Okay, so I'll show you how. So here is my affiliate link, and then just hit enter. Okay, so here you can choose this business cloud for $6.95. You get this amount if you pay annual, if you choose annual payment or annual plan. Because with this plan, you get unlimited websites hosted versus this, you get only one website hosted. And with all plans, you get free domain name. And what's even better is they give 60 days money back guarantee. Unlike with other web hosting companies, they give only 60 days money back guarantee. So get started. Okay, so right here, you just type in the domain name that you want to register. For example, anwebdesigner.com. If you already have a domain name, just click here. But if you don't have a domain name yet, you can skip Namecheap because, like I've mentioned, domain name is free with TMD hosting. You get one free domain. So hit here and then hit search, and then hey, congratulations, it's still available. Okay, so right, enter your account information here, the client information, payment information. And if you're in the Philippines, just choose Singapore, that's the nearest country, and then a period of 12 months because you get a higher discount if you choose annual payment. And then the amount is $111 for a year already. But we just remove this for a while. Okay, the total amount is 119. Okay, but if you use my promo code, this one, and then hit apply, you get $7.52 of worth of discount, and the total is 111. Okay, so make sure you use my affiliate link, and then hit agree, and then complete order. So I'm not gonna complete this order because I'm not gonna buy this domain name. Okay, so once you've registered to a hosting company of your choice, you will receive an email from them which contains all your credentials, such as your login information in your cPanel account and the name servers. These are very important information that you must not share with others. And for me, I like to create a separate folder in my Gmail account or star it so I can easily find it whenever I need it. And by the way, a domain name is renewable yearly while hosting is paid monthly. So if you buy your domain for $8, you pay that only once a year when you renew. It's a one-time payment every year. But with hosting, you pay it monthly. You can also choose to pay annually to save money because there's a discount like I mentioned earlier for an annual term than for a monthly term. So congratulations, you have just registered to AMD Hosting. So how to link your domain with your hosting? Now that you have your domain name and you've registered with your hosting, how do you connect the two? You have to point your domain name to your server. It's like telling your hosting that, hey, please register my domain to your server, and anything that I do in this domain name should be stored in your server. To do that, you need the name servers which will be found in the email sent to you by your hosting company. So this one is the NS1, name server 1, and name server 2. Just go to your inbox. Here, this is the credentials that will be sent to you by your hosting company. Go to your inbox, find the email sent to you by your hosting, and copy the name servers right here. There should be 2 name servers, and go to Namecheap where you registered where you bought your domain name, and go to dashboard, and you will find all your domain names. Find the one that you're gonna point to your hosting. So for example, this one, and click manage, and then go to domain, and then name servers, and here it should be custom DNS, and here just copy and paste just paste the name servers here. And then there's normally a button here or a check mark, like in Namecheap there's a check mark here, and then click on that, and you have to wait for it. It's gonna say that you have to wait for 48 hours for the domain to be pointed to the server. But normally it just takes a few minutes or even seconds, and then it's verified or pointed already. So once it's verified, your domain name is finally connected to your server. So you already have your domain name, your hosting, and finally we're going to build your website. To do that, we have to install WordPress. Okay, so just log into your cPanel account. Remember, you received an email from your hosting with your cPanel login information. Use that to log into your cPanel. And once you've logged in, here's your cPanel. It looks very similar to this. If you're using different web hosts, the look is also very similar to this. And then find Softaculous, click on WordPress. And here, you just click install now. And then just choose which domain name you're going to install WordPress. And then delete this WP and type in your site name and the description. You can also change it later. And then just type in your admin username and password and the email that you commonly use. This is where WordPress will send an email in case you forgot your password. And then just scroll down and click install. Don't mind these themes here, just hit the install button. And then congratulations, the software was installed successfully right here. This link right here is your admin link where you can log into your website. Just click that and you will be redirected inside your WordPress website. So yay, you can now start building your website. You can also just type in your browser your domain name followed by wp admin, and you will also be directed inside your WordPress website. So here, this is now your WordPress website backend where you can create pages and posts. So let me demonstrate. If you want to log into your WordPress website, just type in your domain name followed by wp-admin. And then just type in your username and then your password. And we're now in the backend of WordPress website. So these are the default. What you'll see in your dashboard are these. And in your appearance, you will see the default WordPress themes. It's 2020 and 2019. If you want to have your own theme, like me, I use Astra theme. Just click on Add New and then search for Astra. And here's Astra. You can click on Install and click on Activate. And it's now activated. This now is my current theme, Astra theme. So you can now go ahead and create your pages. What's the difference between posts and pages? Posts are when you create articles, those articles are in the blog page. Blog is a default page in WordPress. Pages are what you will see in your menus. So you can create your pages by clicking on Add New. Give it a title, for example, home page, and then click on Publish. Right here, I've already created some pages. So right here, about blog, the default pages are privacy policy and blog. And then let's take a look at the website. So hover over this domain name and then click on visit site. So you can see the front end. So this is the front end. There's nothing in here yet because we have not added anything. This is your header, and anything that you add in your page, in the page, whenever you add a page, it will be shown here: about page, home page, blog page, and resources. So whenever you add a post, it will be shown under blog. So we have nothing here yet. We don't have anything yet in blog page. So let's add a new post. To add a new post, go to post, add new. While waiting for that, I'm just gonna grab text dummy. Okay, so give your post a title. For example, just add new post and then click on publish. And then you can refresh this page. And there's nothing here yet, but the post is added right here. So click on that. See, there's nothing in there yet. Let's go back and then add a description or a paragraph. So let's just copy and paste this dummy text and paste it in here. And then click on update. And when you refresh this page, see, there it is. Okay, so right here, there's software. I've added some categories. To add a category, just go to post, then categories. And here are the categories that I've added. For example, let's add new category. And then click on add new category. So it will be shown. And then if you want to change the post, just to show you this post, quick edit, and then here are the categories. For example, new category. Sorry for the typo error. And then you refresh this, and it's gonna say the new category. Okay, so I hope you get the idea. And then you can customize even more the look of your website. I use a page builder called Elementor. Elementor is free, but if you want more features and a robust customization, you can opt for you can go for Elementor Pro. But since if you're a starter or if you're a beginner, you can use Elementor free version. To add that, go to plugins and then click on admin. Let's close this. And then search for Elementor. Here it is. There are 5+ millions of active installations and it has 5-star ratings. Make sure it's compatible with your version of WordPress and it's being updated regularly. So there are also other add-ons for Elementor like this one, essential add-ons, premium add-ons, Elementor, header and footer, and there are so much more. So let's install this and click on activate. And here is your Elementor. And you'll see it here in the panel in your dashboard. So then you can style your pages here. Click on edit with Elementor. So we're here. This is the header and you can control this header in your theme. You can control this header in your theme and also this footer. You can control this and style this in your theme. But this section, you can go ahead and style it with Elementor. So click on the plus button. You can add a column and then add a widget. These are widgets that you can add more functionality and features to your front end website. For example, just grab this. It's a drag and drop feature, so it's very easy. The color is you can change the color right here, but you can automatically change this in your theme and then add more. Then you can drag and drop. Just drag and drop any images like that, and then change the size. So just like that. And here there are also templates, free templates. If you go for Elementor Pro, you get more templates, but Elementor Free is fine. So here there are Pro pages, and there are also blocks here, and then search for any block about or call to action. You can go ahead and explore this. So let's add a new page. For example, this page right here, and then click on insert. If it's your first time to use Elementor Pro, you sign up for a free account and it will be automatically connected. You can once you sign up, you connect it to your website and then you can go ahead and insert the template. So I've already signed up and I have connected it to to, to this domain. And there you go. See, it's very nice looking. And then you can go ahead and edit this. This is the settings. I'm not going to teach you how to style with Elementor Pro because it's going to take a long time and there are a lot of tutorials in YouTube. So that's the idea. Okay. Okay. So that's how you style your website. And then you can update this or save this draft, or you can create your own template and save it as your template. Just give it a name, my template, and then you save it. Once you save it, you can see all your templates here. There, templates. Right now, I don't have a template. This coming soon page is the default template in Elementor. And that is how you style your website using Elementor drag and drop features. So how do you create a professional email? This is how to create a professional email with your domain name instead of using yahoo.com or gmail.com. So log into your cPanel account, go to email, and click on email accounts. And then from here, I've already created a lot. So if it's your first time, you will see it's an empty. There's nothing here. And then just click create. And then choose the domain name that you want to create an email account, and then the username, and here it is. If you have your domain name will be written, your domain name is going to be written here at something at Stay-at-Home Moms Today, and then set a password and just click on create. And just click on create. So you have already created your professional email account. So to see your email accounts that you've created, just again log into your cPanel account and go to email accounts, and here you will find the email addresses that you created, the professional email addresses. Okay. So what are other things needed in a website? First is theme. The one that I use is Astra theme, which is one of the most popular themes. There are a lot of themes, and WordPress also have their own themes, and you can use those. Some are free, some are paid. Next is Page Builder, which is the one that we installed earlier in our WordPress website. This is optional. You can create a website without a page builder. But if you want to have a good looking and more customizable website, I advise that you use a page builder. Email Service Provider, or ESP. This allows users to send email campaigns to a list of subscribers and send them automatically on a schedule. There are also free and paid email service providers. I recommend SendPulse or GetResponse. They're both great and feature-rich service providers. If you're a startup business, choose SendPulse. I highly recommend it because they offer free usage for the first 500 contacts. And yeah, there are a lot of features of SendPulse, and I really love it. Next is WooCommerce. If you're selling products, you can sell digital or physical products. You can use WooCommerce. Just install it on your WordPress website. Plugins. What are plugins? These are software additions to your website that gives a more added feature or functionality to your website. An example is WooCommerce. Like I said, if you want to sell products, just install WooCommerce on your WordPress website so you can upload your products, process the sales, and collect payments. If you want to have a membership site, you need to install a plugin also that allows you to add members to your website. To filter comments automatically, you also need a plugin for that. And the one we used earlier, Elementor, we installed it because it's a plugin also. Okay? So I hope you get the idea. Okay, so I cannot discuss and show you everything, including how to style your website, because it would take longer hours to do that, and so we cannot cover everything. It's going to defeat the purpose of a mini course. But you can check out my course on how to build a website fast for non-techie. It's a step-by-step guide and no coding required. This is an in-depth course and it will show you everything, including the integration of your website with your email service providers, integration with Google Search Console, so your website can be found on Google, and Google Analytics, so you can track the activities in your website, how to add Facebook Pixel, how to add your products, how to add your social media accounts, and so much more. And not only that, there are also tons of bonuses, so watch out for that. My course is going to help you build your website fast, even if you don't have or you don't like technical stuff. It's a step-by-step guide to build your website fast so you can start your business or your blog or even level up your freelancing career. But for now, congratulations! You have just finished setting up your first website. Hey! Well, I hope you like this mini course and that you learned something. If you do, just check out my in-depth course. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching this free mini course. If you want more, go ahead and check out my in-depth course. It's a step-by-step guide on how to build a website fast for non-techies. No coding required. I'll see you there. Stay safe, everyone. Bye.